we can be proud of. And I know a lot of work goes into this festival, and I do want to take this opportunity to congratulate all of the organizers for making this event so special. I know there's a great lineup over the next 3 days, and I just hope everyone has a fantastic time. Congratulations, and again, enjoy the next few days.
Thank you, Premier Ghiz.
But it's snowing in the city and the streets are brown and pretty. So there's pretty girls all over town, but they never seem to find me. One I'll left behind me, the reason that I'll be Alberta bound. Alberta bound, Alberta bound. It's good to be Alberta bound. Alberta bound, Alberta bound.
Out there. Give your father a hand on that one. That's on picking.